Hello all you crazy cats out there. If you've been following my videos, which I doubt that you have because nobody views any of my videos, you would know that I have a series of videos on the Kubota BX-24 and in particular the Jari / year-round tie-down points. This is one that you're looking at. This is actually the receiver hitch, which also functions as a tie-down point if you're hauling the tractor on the trailer. And it's muddy right now. The other one that I have a video on mounts on the front right there on each side. That's so you can tie the front down. And on this side the same way. So as you can see, hello. Right now I have the backhoe attached. So what to do if you need to tie it down with the backhoe attached and you can't get at that receiver hitch one to tie it down. Alas, there's a tie down to mount on the backhoe. Now the funny thing about this is I bought these several years ago and I was waiting until I had the backhoe on the tractor before I was going to install them, and it's been several years until I finally got to that point. So I went to install them and I can't figure out how in the heck they install. So I went on the internet and looked at the picture on their website, and right here, this is the pivot for the outrigger, and you can see that there's a little bracket that holds the thing in there so it doesn't fall out. That's the pivot pin for the downrigger right there. So this hole here has a nut on the back, but there's another hole on the other side. Hello, here. Hello. Hello. Okay. So the thing is going to, I'm going to have to take that bolt out and then put this in between here and bolt it through with a longer new bolt, because there is a hole on this side, even though it's hard to see from this angle. There it is. That's a good shot of what I'm going to be doing, taking the small bolt out and putting the longer bolt in with the tie down. Let's get started, shall we? That's the wrong size. So let's get started, shall we? Alright, bolt is out. Put this up here. Let's see what I'm doing. There we go. There we go. I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not. I can't see it and I'm right in person. Okay. There it is. Now I'll do the other side. Alright, got them all done. There's the one on that side. Mounts right underneath the outrigger. And the same deal over on this side. There she is. See you next time. Bye.